Hello and welcome back to another tutorial video. Chrome and Google Search are both quite powerful together when Google serves as Chrome's default search engine. However, depending on the third-party apps you have installed on your PC, your Chrome browser may switch its default search engines to others such as Yahoo, DuckDuckGo, and so on. If you're fed up with Yahoo or any other search engine as default on Google Chrome, here are 8 ways to remove it as your default search engine. The first method is to change the search engine in Chrome's settings. Just head to Chrome settings under the 3-dot button. From the left sidebar, navigate to the search engine. Then, click on the drop-down menu under the search engine used in the address bar. And then choose your preferred search engine from the drop-down list and select any search engine as your default. The second way is to remove Yahoo or other search engines from Chrome. Again, head to Chrome settings and navigate to Search Engine. Now click on Manage Search Engines. Tap on the 3 vertical dots right next to Yahoo or any other search engine. And just hit Delete to remove it from the list. Additionally, you can remove all other search engines, except your go-to search engine from the list. The third option is to configure Google to open upon startup in your browser. To do so, follow these steps. Head to the Chrome settings and navigate to On Startup. Now change the setting from the Open a New Tab page option to Open a Specific Page. Now, enter google.com under the new page and press Enter. Remember that this fix will only work when you launch the browser and every time you open a new tab. Let's move on to a more complicated but long-term solution. The fourth method is to disable or remove any Yahoo-powered extensions and apps. Outdated extensions that are not updated by the developer might get infected. When using such extensions, you may be sent to the Yahoo search engine while surfing on Chrome. To make things easier, delete all Yahoo-powered extensions first. If extensions aren't the problem, remove any Yahoo-powered search-related apps from your PC. To remove such apps, go to Control Panel and choose Programs and Features. Then, in the search field, type Yahoo and hit Enter. Uninstall Search the Web by Yahoo. The fifth method, run security checkup in Windows and Chrome. If none of the previous solutions worked, it's time to scan your computer for browser hijackers or malicious apps that need to be uninstalled. Type Windows Security in the Windows search bar, and then select Virus and Threat Protection, and then click on Quick Scan. It may take some time to check your system for potential threats, and then you may decide whether or not to delete them. All you need to do is tap on Take Action to remove the threat. If the problem continues, or if you do not use a Windows device, you may use Chrome's internal PC cleanup tool to discover apps that may be interfering with your browser. So let's head to Google Chrome settings, and then select the Reset and Clean option. And then select the Clean Up Computer option, and hit Find to begin the process. The sixth method, deleting temporary files. This is one of the most overlooked options that usually works by removing all temporary files. To remove these temporary files, use Windows+R to launch the run. And type %temp% and press OK. This will open the temporary files folder. Delete them all by pressing Ctrl+A and then hit Delete. The seventh way is to clear the cache and reset Chrome. Cached data might be problematic. If none of the other solutions worked, you can reset Chrome to its default settings and delete its cache. Here's how to clear the cache. First, hit Ctrl+H. And then click on Clear Browsing Data to delete all the data. Now check all of the boxes to remove the cached images and files, as well as cookies and other site data. Also, make sure that password and other sign-in details are not checked. And then hit Clear Data. Navigate to then hit Reset and Clean Up. Choose Restore Settings to their original defaults, then click Reset Settings. And finally, if none of the fixes have worked yet, reinstall Chrome. If none of the previous methods works, you might try reinstalling Chrome. However, before beginning with a fresh installation, you must sure remove it and all associated files. Chrome may continue to use Google as its default search engine. If the problem remains, you may want to try another browser, such as Firefox, as it utilizes less memory when processing, is more private, and allows for greater customization. So give it a go. And that's it for this video. If you have any suggestions, do let us know in the comments, and if this is your first visit to our channel, please do consider subscribing and ringing the bell for more tech-related videos. As usual, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.